Ah, the skin. Our body's noble yet often neglected suit of armor. Some treat it like a temple, others like an old pair of boots left out in the rain. But today we uncover the true secrets of skin health, not with overpriced lotions and potions, but with the most primal, time-tested elixirs of all. Animal fats, bioavailable nutrients, and a diet designed by evolution itself. Buckle up, it's going to be a juicy one. The Carnivore's Guide to Radiant Skin. How eating like your ancestors can make you glow like an ethereal radiant deity. The skin is a marvel of nature, our first line of defense against an increasingly filthy world. It's not just a barrier, it's a complex organ that plays multiple roles in keeping us healthy. From regulating our body temperature to acting as a shield against harmful microbes, the skin is constantly working to protect us. It's also a mirror reflecting our lifestyle choices, often showing the first signs of neglect or poor nutrition. It regulates temperature, fights off microbes, and, unfortunately, is the first thing to betray us when we've been living off biscuits and disappointment. When we indulge in unhealthy foods, our skin often pays the price, showing signs of acne, dryness, and other blemishes. It's a clear indicator that what we put into our bodies has a direct impact on our skin's health and appearance. A study in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology confirms that skin function is directly linked to lipid composition, hydration, and amino acid availability. These elements are crucial for maintaining the skin's barrier function and overall health. Researchers have found that a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients can significantly improve skin condition, making it more resilient and radiant. So what happens when we swap dodgy processed foods for nutrient-dense animal fare? The benefits are almost immediate. Nutrient-dense foods provide the building blocks our skin needs to repair and regenerate. Vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats found in whole foods contribute to a glowing complexion and improved skin elasticity. Ah, my dear viewer, the transformation is nothing short of magic, if magic was scientifically verifiable. With the right nutrients, your skin can go from dull and lifeless to vibrant and healthy. It's a testament to the power of good nutrition and a reminder that our skin is not just a protective barrier, but a reflection of our overall well-being. For generations, our ancestors slathered themselves in tallow and bathed in animal fats. These natural substances were their go-to solutions for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. They understood the benefits of these rich, nourishing fats long before modern science caught up. Tallow, derived from beef or mutton fat, was a staple in their skincare routines, providing a protective barrier against the elements and keeping their skin supple and hydrated. And, somewhat questionably, used butter as hair pomade. Fast forward to today, and we've swapped these time-tested traditions for lab-concocted industrial seed oils, which are about as stable as a weathered deck chair in a hurricane. Dr. Paul Saladino and research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that excessive linoleic acid from seed oils contributes to oxidative stress, wrinkles, and even an increased risk of skin cancer. These oils, often marketed as healthy alternatives, are actually wreaking havoc on our skin and overall health. Tallow butter, the original moisturizer, rebuilds the lipid barrier, ensuring our skin remains resilient and hydrated. It fights inflammation, reducing redness and irritation, and promotes a clear, even complexion. Unlike synthetic products that can cause more harm than good, tallow works in harmony with our skin's natural processes and makes you smell a bit like Sunday roast, which is never a bad thing. Duck fat, another ancient remedy, is absurdly rich in vitamin K2 and stearic acid. These nutrients are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and strength, giving your skin the resilience of a Roman statue. Stearic acid helps to repair damaged skin, while vitamin K2 supports the skin's natural healing processes. Ghee, essentially butter but posh, is another powerhouse in the world of natural skincare. Packed with skin-loving compounds, ghee is rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, all of which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin. These vitamins help to nourish and rejuvenate the skin, leaving it glowing and youthful. So next time you're looking for a skincare solution, consider reaching for these time-honored animal fats. They might just be the secret to achieving the radiant, healthy skin you've always wanted. Collagen is the scaffolding of youthful skin, the secret to elasticity and firmness. It's the protein that keeps our skin looking plump and smooth, forming a network that supports skin structure. As we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. But don't worry, there are ways to boost your collagen levels. And if you've been neglecting it, the reason your face might resemble an unmade bed. Neglecting collagen can lead to a loss of skin elasticity, making it look tired and aged. But there's hope. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology from 2019 found that daily collagen supplementation improved skin hydration and elasticity in just 8 weeks. This means that with consistent intake, you can see noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and appearance. Bone broth. Think of it as a drinkable facelift. Rich in collagen, it's a natural way to support your skin's health from the inside out. Regular consumption can help replenish your body's collagen stores. Beef tendons, yes, they're chewy, but so is resilience. Packed with collagen, they're a great addition to your diet if you're looking to boost your skin's elasticity and strength. Fish skin, crisp it up, eat it, and let it work its magic. Fish skin is not only delicious, but also a fantastic source of collagen. Including it in your meals can help improve your skin's health and appearance. Modern diets are drowning in omega-6 fats, leading to inflammation, breakouts, and skin that burns faster than a bald man at high noon. A 2022 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed that omega-3 fatty acids reduce skin inflammation and improve barrier function. Eat more salmon, sardines, and grass-fed beef. Avoid seed oils like the plague. Red light therapy penetrates deep into the skin, increasing mitochondrial activity and stimulating collagen production. In simple terms, more glow, fewer wrinkles, and an uncanny ability to look well-rested even when you're not. A 2020 study in photomedicine and laser surgery demonstrated that red light therapy enhances collagen synthesis and accelerates wound healing. Hydration is vital, but let's not get carried away. No need to lug around a 5-liter jug like a gym bro on a mission. Just drink to true thirst, salt to taste, and, most importantly, avoid drinking anything that looks like it belongs in a glow stick. Navigating skin health on a carnivore diet isn't just about eating steak and hoping for the best. There's nuance, science, and, let's be honest, a fair bit of trial and error. That's where coaching comes in. A guide to steer you away from pitfalls and into the land of optimal results. Get personalized coaching at compositionconsultant.com. Your skin is a reflection of what you put into your body. Treat it well and it will reward you. Ignore it and, well, there's always industrial-grade filler. But let's avoid that, shall we? Eat like your ancestors, glow like the gods, subscribe, and visit compositionconsultant.com for personalized coaching.
Check out my site at compositionconsultant.com, where your journey to peak performance and optimal health begins. With a degree in human nutrition and over 15 years of training experience, I've guided more than 400 carnivores to not just meet, but exceed their physique and performance goals. Through personalised consultations, comprehensive ebooks and dedicated coaching, I'm here to ensure your success. Join the ranks of those who have transformed their lives. It's time to align your physique goals with positive health outcomes. Visit compositionconsultant.com today and take the first step towards the best version of you. Build muscle and lose fat on the carnivore diet.